How to fix all Windows Update errors in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix all of your Windows Update error in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you just need to simply open up your settings. So go with your settings application. Under settings, you need to simply go with system and then go with the troubleshoot option. Under troubleshoot, you can go with other troubleshooters, and here under Windows Update, you can simply go with run. And once you go with run, it will detect all of the problems that you have with your Windows Update and your errors might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is you need to free up your disk space. So what you need to do is simply go with your settings again, go with system. Under system, you just need to simply scroll down and go with storage. And here you will have all of your storage. So you can simply go and delete your temporary files, or you can go with installed apps and you can delete the apps that you're not using or that you don't use. So go with temporary files at first and then go with delete, or go with remove files and then continue, and go with the installed apps and delete the apps that you don't use, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with the next method, which is you need to open up your CMD, which is your command prompt. Go with run as administrator, and you just need to simply enter some commands. So there are plenty of commands, like there are 10 commands, which I'll be mentioning in the description. You just need to simply copy each command and then hit the enter. And once you've done with all of those commands, then you just need to simply restart the device, and after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with the next step, which is you need to update your drivers. So go with the device manager, right click on your Windows, and here you will have your device manager. And under your device manager, you just need to simply go with display adapters, and you can simply go with any driver that you think that is unupdated. So you just need to simply go and right click on it and then go with update driver and search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then your problem will be fixed. But if not, you can simply go and update the driver. Once you've done that, now your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you can simply go with the next step, which is perform a clean boot. So to do that, you just need to simply go with search and search for system configuration, and make sure to go with the services option. And here you need to go with hide all Microsoft services and then go with disable all option. In here, you just need to simply go with startup and then go with open task manager. And under this, make sure that you've disabled all of the applications that you don't use. So you just need to simply go and disable all of that, which I've already done. Once you've done all of this, you just need to simply restart the device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.